So y'all did really good. I only came in here and got my 3 little items, and I really couldn't like vlog like this store. Oh my god, it was so packed, and I didn't want to like pull the camera out in front of people's face. So. Y'all, I'm so excited about my ice cream and cookies. Oh girl, I'm so excited. It's gonna be bussin', girl. It's gonna be bussin'. Y'all, so I'm trying to understand why this car parked beside me. Now y'all know when I went in, I was the only one parked right here. Like all of these empty spots, and you gonna park right here beside me? Y'all, that is such a pet peeve of mine. Like, why would you park directly beside me? And look at this. All of these empty parking spaces, and you want to park like literally directly right beside me. Come on now. So y'all normally I whip my camera out like in front of anybody. I don't care, but I wanted to be like respectful of the workers in Walmart, because every single hour I went down, like they were working, they were putting stuff down, they were restocking, and I was like, let me not get in their way and pull the camera out, because I don't want to make the workers you know, feel kind of crazy or like I'm recording them, you know what I'm saying? Although I don't understand, like people act like they don't know what vlogs are, y'all. It blows my mind. Like at this point, everyone should know what a vlog is. I'm sorry, everyone should know, but I guess not. That's just the way I think. And y'all, for real, for people who vlog, you can honestly tell that they are vlogging themselves. Like they are literally, you can tell, literally recording themselves. So I don't know, it's just so funny to me. So funny to me. Y'all have to hurry up and get home because it's hot as hell, and I do not want my good old ice cream to melt. But y'all saw what I got. So y'all, I got the coffee, and the lady was restocking the coffee aisle, so she had to actually get this for me. So I didn't even pull the camera out over there, but I got my coffee, and I got, and then I showed y'all my good old cookies by KiKi. Ooh girl, Oreos. Like, if y'all are really trying to like watch your diet and watch what you eat, but you still love sweets like me, I'm telling you, these are so good. This was the last pack, and they were $5, $4.96, so you can't beat that. So I'm so happy for my cookies, and I'm sorry for the lighting, y'all. Y'all know what it be giving. Y'all know what it be doing. And then I have my ice cream, y'all, by Enlighten. This is so good. Like you can eat the whole thing for 2 net carbs. Can't you have the whole thing? Oh no, my bad. 2/3. No, my bad. That's the other ice cream. This one you can have 2/3 cups for 2 net carbs, which is good. Y'all, I sit there and eat the whole thing. I ain't gonna lie, because the carbs is so low. So it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. So I'm gonna eat me some ice cream, girl. Yes, I am. I need to eat food first though, because I've been fasting all day, y'all. It's 4:33, so I surely need to eat something when I get home, and then I'm gonna have my ice cream. But anyway, I will holler at you guys when I make my ice cream, so I can show y'all how I do it with my little greedy self. I'll show y'all what I do, how I crumble my old cookies up in my ice cream. I'll show y'all. But in the meantime, I'm gonna have to call y'all back because I need to bump my air. I'm hot.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm feeling dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
y'all, what's up? Happy Saturday. So y'all, I literally just walked back into the house from the grocery store. I went to Walmart because we needed to get some things for the house, and then I also went to Dollar Tree. And y'all, I'm looking at the time, it's 11:18 a.m. and I left out of the house at 7:30. Like, what the hell? I stayed in Walmart this long? That's crazy. But let me show y'all what I picked up. So actually, where's the bag with my whipped cream? Because I need to put my whipped cream away. Let's see. I think it's this bag right here. Oh, yep, it's this bag right here, y'all. Let me show y'all real quick. I should have really took the stuff out of the bag, but that's okay. So we got some low carb street taco wraps. I love these, y'all. I use these for everything. I use them for hot dogs, for hamburgers, tuna fish, like you name it. Yeah. There's a close-up, y'all. Hazelnut cream by Great Value. Fuji apple soda water. Sugar-free ketchup. Sugar-free Polynesian sauce. Hot dog. My absolute fave. Spinach. Whipped cream. Brussels sprout. So good. Drink enhancers by Sonic. We have ocean water and cherry. We have some Great Value sugar-free Jello, raspberry, strawberry, peach, and cherry. Cherry limeade soda water. Movie theater popcorn by Great Value. Tortilla dippers by Great Value. Peppers. Stop playing with me. Stop it right now. Cucumbers. Strawberry rose. Omega-3 fish oil. Vitafusion vitamins, sugar-free, for moi. Another soda water and key lime. Winemaker's Brut champagne for my mimosa. So y'all, let's talk about it. So y'all, my co-worker is so well versed when it comes down to wines, okay? She is the go-to person. Like, usually when I want to try a new wine, I normally consult with her first because she knows her shit, okay? So she was asking me if I ever tried this wine right here by Teleport, and I'm like, no, because y'all know I normally stick to my regular stuff. It's either my Cabernet, Pinot Grigio, Sauvignon Blanc. I usually stick with those kind of wines, and sometimes I do like a red blend, and I get like a certain brand, like I do the Winemakers or I do the Aldi brand. But I don't really like venture into anything else because, yeah, okay, your girl need to stick to what she knows. But she was like, I needed to try this. She said, if you want to have like a half a glass of wine and feel a buzz, like a true buzz, she was like, try Teleport. And I was like, okay. So that was all she said, right? So I need to do some more research on it because I don't know, like, is this a red wine? Like, I don't know. Like, we just had a brief conversation about it. But I was in Walmart today, obviously, and I was looking at, well, I was going to get my champagne for my mimosas, and then I saw this. I was like, oh, that's what she was talking about. I said, let me try it. Y'all, it was only $8, right? So, y'all, they had other flavors, or I guess, like, different types of wine by Teleport. But I just picked up this one because this is the specific one that we were talking about, I guess. Y'all, so as I was bagging my stuff, as I was checking out and bagging my stuff, I looked at it and I'm like, oh my God, y'all, this is 18% alcohol. 18%. I'm used to my little like 8%, 10%, 11%, not 18%. Because normally I don't do like hard liquor. Like every now and again I'll take a shot. But y'all, I'm a lightweight. So 18%, this shit is gonna knock me up off my feet, okay? Girl. So if y'all know anything about Teleport, holla at your girl, because yeah, I'm about to be in here fucked up. Oh my God, y'all. And then I picked up this primer, y'all, by Revolution. So this is a Pore Vanish primer. And I was telling y'all that I just brought the foundation by Revolution, so I figured let me just get the primer. Well, a primer by Revolution to go with the foundation. So this is what I got. And we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on how it works. I poured a little bit and I tried it and I was like, it's so nasty to me. Y'all, it could be because I'm so used to the wine that I'm used to, but I don't like it. Okay, I did mix it. So I read the bottle, and the bottle said to mix in some soda or juice or whatever. So I put some soda water in here, and it makes it taste a little better, and it tastes so sweet to me. I don't know why. I like a dry wine, so to me this is so sweet, and it's even sweeter since I added the soda water. Y'all, so I put it back in the refrigerator to chill a little more, and it made it a little better. Y'all, I don't know, I'm gonna take a few more sips. I'm gonna sit with it for a little bit and see, but y'all, I don't know, I gotta sit with it for a little bit, y'all. But in the meantime, in between time, let's go ahead and do a haul. So y'all, the first thing that I picked up from Ross is another book. I know, but I needed this book because look, the one that I showed y'all, I did a vlog, and I don't know if you guys like watch every single vlog, but I did a vlog like a while ago, and I showed y'all the journal that I was using that I got from Ross, and I was actually using that one for work and for my personal stuff, and that one has become just like my work journal basically. So I needed another, so I got this one right here. And I'm sorry I'm looking this way, y'all. I'm in my living space, my living room, and my window, I have a window right here, and people are driving by. I'm nosy, so I gotta look out the window and see what's going on. But anywho, y'all, I picked up this book and I love it, y'all. It says Busy Bee. That is so me. I love the black and the gold. Okay, it has the spirals here on the edge, and then the back is black. I love this, y'all. This book was only $4.99. It has this little and then it has this little thing right here where you can kind of close the book up so it won't be flapping all over the place. And look at y'all, you have the polka dots here on the front, and you also have polka dots on the back cover, and all of the pages are blank. So this is what I really wanted, like all blank pages. Y'all, that book is just too freaking cute. I'm gonna start journaling in that book today. So then next, I picked up this really cute shirt. Oh my god, this shirt is so cute, y'all. I did try this on in the store, and here's what it looks like. It's a really gorgeous polka dot shirt. And here's the bottom, y'all. So as you can see, the bottom scrunches up and it kind of hugs your waist. Here is how the sleeves are made. Okay, it is short sleeved, but it's like a butterfly sleeve, if you will. Super duper cute. Y'all, love this slip dress. It is so gorgeous. The color that you see is what you get. So as you can see, it's like a turquoise. Is that turquoise? I guess it's like a turquoise color. And so this dress does not come all the way down to my ankle. However, it's way past my knee. And it's so freaking cute, y'all. I love this dress so much. It looks so good on. I would probably wear this dress with a turtle, like in the winter time. To transition it over, I'll do like a black turtleneck or a black bodysuit with like long sleeve and some black boots and a leather jacket. I think, like, oh my god, that'll be so cute. Actually, I can't wait to wear it like that versus wearing this now, because I can just imagine how cute that's gonna be. And y'all, there's the price, $12.99. And next up are these shorts, and these shorts are so freaking cute. I was looking for these shorts in an XL, but all they had was a large, so I was like, yep, I'm gonna go with it, y'all. So again, this is an item that I would love to wear this coming fall and winter with some fishnets, some tall boots, and a black turtleneck and a blazer. That's how I see myself wearing this. I can wear it now, obviously, but that's just really how I imagine myself wearing this these shorts. So freaking cute. As you can see, they are short. I love the detail, the matte buttons on the pocket, and you have usable pockets, you guys. This is a scuba material with a stretchy waistband, And I love this material. And last but not least from Ross, y'all, I had to pick up some more shapewear because you can never have enough shapewear. Okay, and it looks like this. All right, here we go. And I already have these already, so I know that they're gonna fit well. I brought this before, obviously, from Ross. So here's what the shapewear looks like, you guys. You get a nude color, like a tan or beige color, and then you have black. And I really brought it for the black. $9, y'all. $9. If I would have went to like Walmart and or Target, I'm telling you, I would have paid more. Because normally that's where I get my shapewear from. Well, it's Walmart and Target sometimes. But yeah, y'all, and it has like the little tummy control. Here's how the back looks with a little butt, as you can see, for your cheeks to fit in. And I love this, y'all.